Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Please stay home, stay safe, and just learn through online classes. So, and today we are going to read the poem Bird Talk. But before we start the poem, I want to ask you something. I want to tell you something. Okay? Everything is made by God. Okay, but there are some things that we think they are very very funny. Okay, okay, for us means we are all people, boy, girl, man, woman. Okay, we all are people. For us, some animals are very funny, some birds are very funny. Okay, and in the same way for birds and for animals also, all the people are funny. Okay, now through this poem we will check how the birds think that people are very very funny and in which way people are funny. Okay, so in this poem the birds are talking to each other. Okay, the persons are not talking to each other. Here the birds are talking to each other. Now let's see what are they talking. Okay, so the name of the poem is Bird Talk. So whenever we are reciting any poem, always keep in your mind we should sing the poem, we should recite the poem. Okay, so there should be some rhyming should be there. Okay, I will tell you later what is rhyming. Okay, so let's start the poem Bird Talk. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Okay, like that. So we have to recite the poem in this way. Okay, now again listen to me. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Okay, now we will go through one by one stanza. Actually, in this poem, there are two birds. In this poem, in this picture also, you can see there are two big birds are there. And do you know what are their names? Yes, there are two birds and their names are Robin and Jay. So if I'll ask you what is the name of or what are the names of the birds, so the names of the birds are Robin and Jay. One bird is Robin and second bird is Jay. And they are just talking to each other. Hey Robin, hey Jay, you just think and think. And they were sitting in a garden. Where were they sitting? They were sitting in a garden and they are talking one day. Okay, they are just talking about the people. Okay, in first stanza they are sitting in a garden and there they are talking about the people. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Now what are they thinking and what are they talking? Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Now they are saying, you just think about people, the way they grow. What is the meaning of grow? The way they grow means how they are getting bigger and bigger and bigger, how they are getting older and older and older. Okay, first they are very very small, like a child. Then just they start growing, they growing and they grow and they become a big person. Okay, so they are talking. You just think about the way how they are growing. Okay, how they are becoming bigger. And you know, we all have feathers. Now the birds are talking now. The birds are saying we all have feathers. Okay, but the people do not have feathers, and yet they are growing big and big and big. Okay, who are thinking like this? The birds are thinking because the birds have feathers. Now tell me, students, do you have any feather? No, na? Yes. So they are thinking from their side. Okay, the birds are thinking we all have feathers, but the people do not have any feather, and they are just growing and growing and growing. Okay, beta. So the spelling of people is People, people. Okay, so let's start again. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow, they don't have feathers at all, you know. Okay, now next. Now, okay, students, we all know that we always take like chapati, roti, idli, dosa, sambar, etc. etc. Okay, but if you will see any cow, what does it eat? Okay, the cow eats grass. Okay, dry grass like that. Okay, what does the birds eat? They eat just seeds. Okay, rice, wheat, like that, and some insects also. Okay, now the birds are talking like this. The birds are talking like this. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Now the birds are saying they don't eat beetles. Who don't eat beetles? People. They are talking about people. People don't eat beetles. Do you know what is the meaning of beetle? Do you know what is the meaning of beetle, beta? Beetles. Beetles means this is a type of insects. A type of insect. Okay, the all the birds used to eat small insects, but we all don't eat beetles. Okay, so they are talking, they are telling people don't eat beetles, and they don't grow wings also. They don't like sitting on wires and things. In downside picture also, here you can see better the birds are sitting on wires. Can we sit on wires? No, na? Yes. So the birds are thinking we can sit on wires, we can sit on the top of the tree, we can sit anywhere, but people can't sit anywhere. Okay. Now again read the stanza. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Okay. Now what is the meaning of this stanza? The meaning of the stanza is the the birds are saying we can eat beetles, we can grow wings, we can sit anywhere, but people can't eat beetles, they can't grow wings, they can't sitting on wires and other things. So last way, thinks said the robin, thinks said the jay, aren't people funny to be that way? So both the birds are saying, what are the name of the birds? Robin and jay. So both birds are saying the people are very funny to be that way. Okay, so in this poem the birds are talking about people, they are saying they are very different from us. Okay, now you can see there the all the birds have beaks, they have some wings also, they have feathers also, they can sit anywhere, they can sit on the branches of the trees also, they can sit on the wires also, they can sit anywhere, but people can't do these things. Okay, so birds and people and persons are different from each other. Okay, now I will tell you the word meanings also, I will show you the pictures also. The first picture is feathers, but first of all you have to learn the spellings also. Okay, so what is the spelling of feathers? Feathers, feathers. So you can see the picture of feathers also. So this is the picture of feathers. Next one is beetles. I told you, small insects, a type of insect. This is known as beetles. So beetles spelling is B double E B tulls, TLES, beetles. So these type of insects are known as beetles. Next is wings. So this type of wings, you can see all the birds have wings, but do any people have wings? No, na. So people are different from birds. And here this is the picture of wires. So all the birds can sit on the wires. Okay, can people sit on wires? No, na. So here also birds are different from people. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like the video. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.